Okay, next task is how to create a lead magnet offer. So this is to attract your ideal clients without feeling salesy. So welcome to day 15. Today you will learn how to create your very first lead magnet offer. So this is one of the most powerful ways for you to attract your leads for your bookkeeping business. So instead of chasing clients, you'll start attracting the right ones. So why we need a lead magnet? Remember, people don't buy from strangers. So they don't hire bookkeepers right away. They need to trust you first. A lead magnet, it will help you give value upfront. That is, building trust before you ever pitch your service. So what is a lead magnet? So this is a free, valuable resource that solves one small problem for your target market. So think of your lead magnet as your first handshake. So it's a simple tool. It could be a guide, a checklist, a template, or a video that solves a quick problem for your ideal client. So how it works. So make sure it gives value. It will help build trust. And this is a way for starting a conversation and a way to attract leads. So when you give value, you position yourself as an expert. They begin to see you as someone who understands their problem. And that opens the door for future conversations and potential clients. So first one is pick your audience. So who is your target market? So be clear who you want to help. So the more specific you are, the easier it is to create a powerful lead magnet. Okay. So it could be real estate investors, Shopify sellers, coaches and freelancers, clinic business owners, or digital marketing agencies. And then you pick one problem. Focus on one pain point. So here are some of the sample problem statements. So organizing rental property finances, tracking Shopify payment fees, or categorizing business expenses. So make sure one point or one pain point they are struggling with. So don't try to solve everything. Pick one small pain point your market has. Example, how to organize rental property finances. So a focused lead magnet works better than a broad one. So here are some of the lead magnet ideas or examples for you to start with. So start with simple topics that you can create quickly. So these ideas, they deliver quick wins, and this will also show your expertise. Okay? So as you can see here, this one is intended for real estate investors. This one, same with real estate investors or rental property owners, Shopify sellers, and this part, it could be any target market. But then, better to focus one market. Okay, so in creating your lead magnet title. So your lead magnet can be a PDF guide, it could be a checklist, it could be a template, or it could be a short video explaining. Okay, let's say you want to send an expense tracker, then you have the short video explaining how to use that, what they call this expense tracker. You can have that one. Or you can also offer mini webinars. Okay, so that is also one of the lead magnet formats. So you don't need fancy software. You can start with a PDF. You can create that one using Canva, or you can even have a Google Doc checklist, or even a simple 5-minute recorded video. Okay? So, like this one, for the Shopify sellers. So they have an issue regarding tracking Shopify payment fees. You can also have a short video explaining how to track Shopify payment fees. Okay, so one problem, you've already solved one problem of a target market, which is the Shopify sellers. Okay, so your lead magnet will give peace of mind to your target market, because you solve one of their pain points. So you're not selling bookkeeping here. You're offering peace of mind, clarity, and confidence. Okay? So you are creating a gift that will help people right now. So this is your first step to becoming a trusted expert in your niche. So for your challenge, okay, so pick your audience, choose one problem, and then research what could be your lead magnet title, and then do that one using Canva. Okay, so that's it.